Hello, student. Welcome to once again here my channel. So first of all, I will give you my warm welcomes and good morning for all of you that you is attending my class of the YouTube channels. And here is the YouTube channel so that I am giving you such types of the tricks with the help of that you can describe, so you can understand, and you can solve the related problems associated with the chemistry. Now we will also teach you the chemistry here today. A distribution of electrons by Bohr's and Bury rules. And here is the Bohr's Bury rules, how the distributions of electrons are distributed in the cell. First of all, we will have to study. First of all, we will go. First of all, we if before going to study the distribution of electrons, first of all, so we will try to know the neutrons. That is the third subatomic particles of an atom. So here is the neutrons. So we will study the neutrons. Neutrons. It is third subatomic particles of an atoms. It is electrically neutral and represented by small n and represented by small n's and discovered by it was discovered by James Chadwick in 1932. In 1932, 90 electrons are neutrons, and its mass is equal to the mass. Equal or not. Mass is more than the protons. Mass is more than protons. That is 1.67493 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg and present in nucleus or center of the atoms. The center of an atoms formed by subatomic particles protons, positive particles, proton, and some of neutrons. That is P plus N is equal to nucleus of an atoms. Distributions of electrons. Now we will study distributions of electrons. Distribution of electrons. Distributions of electrons in different orbits. Or cell of an atoms. These are the, suppose that this is the headings, and thus it is done by certain rules. It is done by certain rules and suggested by both Bohr and Bury, and suggested by the scientist Bohr and Bury. Rules are are as follows. Here is first rule. Suppose that first rule says it is first of all distribution of electrons. First it is telling that distribution. So first it is telling that the maximum number of the electron present in cell is maximum number of electron present in cell or orbit orbit is maximum number of electron present in cell or orbit is cell or orbit. The maximum number of electrons present in cell or orbit is on the basis of cell or orbit is given by the formula. Okay, given by the formula 2n square, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 r k l m n cell or orbit. Number of cell or orbit. If the number of cells, first suppose that here is the first orbit are k cells. First orbit or k cells. K cell is equal to 2 into 1 square is equal to 2. Second orbit or second orbit or L cell is equal to 2 into 2 square is equal to 8. Third orbit or M cell is equal to 2 into 3 square is equal to 18. Fourth orbit or N cell can be represented by 2 into 4 square is equal to 32. These are the some orbit. With the help of that, we will describe some here, and the number of the cells can be found here. If we see first orbit 1, here is the p plus n. First orbit is there 2. Second orbit, third orbit, fourth orbit 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Like this, this is the last uppermost orbit will always be a maximum number of the electrons according to this rules. How many maximum number of electrons can be filled, and as now second rules is given here. Second rule is maximum number of electrons that can be found is maximum number of electrons. Maximum number of electrons in as according to the maximum number of the electrons that can be accommodated in the outermost cell is accommodated in the outermost cell or orbit is 8. But third rule is telling you that. So what is third rule? Third rule is that electrons would not third rule is telling you that the electrons are not accommodated in given cells. Electrons are not accommodated in the given cell. Electrons are not accommodated in the given cells. It can be accommodated by unless the inner cells are filled. Unless the inner cells are filled. This is these are the three rules. With the help of these three rules and the 2n squares formula, we will describe and thus we will fill the electron cells in each by one, following the rules of the Bohr's in the body. Thank you very much for coming once again. I'm giving you my warm welcome. Please do subscribe so that you cannot miss any video of the Rajesh. Okay.